Don't let battery woes drain your wallet. Let's uncover the truth about EV battery replacements. So your EV's battery has a hiccup, and the tech says replace the whole thing. Does it sound fishy? Here's the scoop. There are four main types of EV batteries: cylindrical, pouch, prismatic, and blade. Each has its quirks. Cylindrical batteries, like those in Tesla and NIO, usually allow for single module replacement. Yay, savings. Pouch batteries, found in Chevrolet Bolt, often need a full swap. Ouch, that's pricey. Prismatic batteries used in Nissan Leaf let you replace individual cells. More cost-effective, right? And blade batteries, the superstar from BYD, officially suggest full replacement, but some techs can fix parts. Handy, huh? Remember, whether you need a full or partial replacement can depend on your car's model and age. Newer models might have different rules, so next time a tech says full replacement, you'll know what questions to ask. If this video helped, join our EV tech community by hitting subscribe and turning on notifications. Knowledge is power, especially for your EV.